The absolute must-do tour when you're in Mykonos is the day trip to Vilos Island. I've already made a video on that and I will link it at the end of this one in case you haven't seen it. But today we're talking about the 5 other amazing tours Mykonos has to offer. The first one is a sunset boat tour along Mykonos' south coast, so basically where all the famous beaches are. This tour is perfect if you just want to chill on a boat, take it easy, snorkel left and right, and have a traditional meal on board while looking at the sunset. Now, fun fact, the boat and the crew doing this are the exact same ones that go to Vilos in the morning. So who knows, if you really like being on a boat, you can do both these tours one after the other. The second tour I highly recommend is a guided walking tour around Mykonos town. There's tons of history behind these cute whitewashed houses and churches, and it's much nicer to actually know what you're looking at. For instance, do you know why some domes are blue, some are green, and some are red? Well, that's just one of the many things you will learn on that tour. The third activity you might want to consider is a bus tour around the island. You'll be brought to some great viewpoints. You'll get to visit the Turliani Monastery, relax on Calafatis Beach, and then go for lunch at a local farm. If you don't plan on renting a car, a tour like this is great because you get to see so much in just a few hours. And it's very affordable. Now, if you can afford something a bit pricier, then I would not go for the bus tour, and instead I'd book a private tour by car with a local. It's more expensive, of course, but being with a car means that 1, you can reach more secluded parts of the island, like the Armenistis lighthouse, for instance, and 2, it's fully customizable. You decide where you want to go and how long you want to stay at each spot. The next tour I want to recommend is a photo shoot with a professional photographer, and here's the reason why. Photo shoots in Mykonos are much cheaper than in Santorini, like 1/3 of the price. Now, of course, Santorini has some epic spots like this one that can't be rivaled. But if you're fine with pics like these, then give your wallet a break and do it in Mykonos instead. Where can you find the links to book all these tours? Well, I'm going to leave everything down below. If you click on the link and you see multiple tours appear, the first one is the one I recommend. Now, you might have realized I didn't mention any tours like kayaking, scuba diving, jet skiing, or even wine tours. That's because all of those are, in my humble opinion, more interesting in Santorini. Because Santorini is a volcano, both the food culture and the sceneries are so much more epic. So if you want to go on a cultural or an adventurous tour, I would book those in Santorini. And the video for that is right here. If you want to support my channel with a one-time donation, you can click here. And as promised, the must-do day trip from Mykonos to Vilos Island. Make sure to book it before they sell out, because they do sell out. And there you go. That's it for this one. Hope you liked it. See you in the next one. Bye.